nation. This vision cannot admit the weaponization of political differences to punish the vulnerable, prejudice the innocent, injure the hardworking, and afflict the struggling. Pursuit of political aspirations must also enhance justice, not undermine it, expand freedom, not constrict it, and must increase democracy, freedom, and security, and not promote autocracy, tyranny, impunity, destruction, or fear. Isaiah 1:18 reminds us to reason together. Today, we are in the midst of a robust national conversation about public policies. Our democratic culture has endowed us with a rare opportunity to reason together and reconcile with our current realities. We all agree, seated here, members of parliament from all sides, leaders from all sides, that we have 5 million of our young people out of school without jobs. 800,000 young people join them in the labor market every year. I was looking at the budget last night.